We've got a major delisting that occurred yesterday and regulators are clamping down on crypto. But we've got a new product offering in regards to XRP. I'm not a fan of the exchange that's offering it, but the program that they're offering, it's actually quite interesting. And be on the lookout for the Jerome Powell thumbnail as CPI data comes out tomorrow, everyone. Expectations are 6.5 or better to make the market remain green. Anything higher than 6.5, estimates have set out there that the stock market could plunge by 3% easily if it comes above 6.5. XLM, friend of the show, sitting at 7.9, not holding on to that 8-cent mark. That's something we're going to have to keep paying attention to. We got XRP highlight today's video. Wait to hear the product offering. I want your input on this. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the exchange. We'll get into it. 36.1 up 4% last 24 hours. Broader look sees Bitcoin and Ethereum both holding above crucial levels of 1329 for Ethereum and Bitcoin sitting at 17,347. Gemini officially terminates crypto earn program amid a digital currency group Genesis spat. The Winklevoss-owned crypto exchange Gemini said returning their customers' assets remains the highest priority. Now, they stopped the whole thing in November, and they have been waiting to get their money back. Yep, that's what's happening in crypto still right now. Crypto hot potato. This company is waiting for this company and this one and this one and this one. But if the first company can't give money back, everyone down the row is not getting their paper, everyone. But this strategic move here by Gemini is extremely important because now this puts actual official pressure on DCG. We are writing to let you know that Gemini, acting as an agent on your behalf, has terminated the master loan agreement between Genesis Global Capital effective January 8, 2023. The message went on to say that the action officially terminates EARN and requires Genesis to return all outstanding assets to the program. This was their EARN program, and hey, like I said, their customers' funds have been locked out since November. A letter was sent out last week giving a hard deadline of January 8th. January 8th passed, they did not get their funds, so now they are completely terminating the program, which means, hey, since we terminated the program, you better give us our crypto and funds back. But now on to the delisting news. This is very interesting here because this is coming out of Canada, everyone, and Canada's been kind of pro-crypto here, so seeing this is extremely important. Crypto.com delist Tether. Thank God, Tether is just a ticking time bomb. USDT in Canada to comply with the Ontario regulator. In an email shared with users in the jurisdiction, Crypto.com, the delisting of USDT is in accordance with instructions from the Ontario Securities Commission, OSC, as part of our pre-registration undertaking for a restricted dealer license. So in order for Crypto.com to keep their licensing, they had to get rid of Tether. Crypto.com adds that USDT trading pairs, transactions, deposits, and withdrawals have been delisted on January 31st. All remaining USDT user deposits will be automatically converted to Circle's USDC. Now, the reason they're converting it to Circle USDC is Circle, time and time again, has proven their reserves, proven their financial standing. Where Tether, I mean, think about it. Tether said they weren't backed by all this junk debt. We found out that they were. Tether has had trouble having people kind of even fortify what their, backings are. It's been a complete mess. So with this lack of trust, right, this ambiguity right now with USDT, the OSC is like, yo, you want to keep your license? You got to get rid of Tether. As the second great stablecoin war heats up, Tether's USDT appears to be falling behind the curve. Since the collapse of FTX, rival stablecoin USDC has been the preferred choice for most crypto users. According to on-chain data from Glassnode, USDC has been averaging over 12.5 billion more in transfer volume per day than USDT and 5 times of that of USDT since October. Wow, the decline in USDT volume comes in amidst criticism of auditing and less transparent reserve. Just like when Binance provided their proof of reserves, it really wasn't transparent. We really didn't have a good dive into the books and people aren't comfortable with it. All right, here we go. I'm getting into the XRP thing, but it has to do with Binance, so just hear me out a little bit. Speaking of Binance, let's talk about that new XRP trading pair. XRP and other products launched by a major exchange. New XRP-oriented products have been launched in the dual investment branch of Binance. As of today, holders of these crypto assets are invited to deposit tokens under the subscription, choosing a strategy that involves either selling these assets further at a higher price or conversely buying them at an undervalued price. By selecting a strategy as well as desired price that the participant predicts should be accurate and the date of which the price will show up, the tokens are locked into the product until the selected date and the annual percentage rate is applied to them. It's kind of like options trading, but with capitalization. No, I gotta be honest with you. I actually think this is kind of cool. Now I'm gonna be totally upfront with you. Super risky, and you know the only reason Binance is doing this is because they know when they crunch the numbers out there, they know that a lot of people are going to be losing and they're going to be winning. Think of this. Anytime a company offers a product, are they offering a product so that you make money in the long run or that they make money in the long run? It's always them, right? The house always wins. But I like the idea here of kind of like an options type trading when it comes to XRP and other cryptos out there. I've got the announcement from Binance, and as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. My feelings on Binance are pretty public. I don't trust CZ. How is he the only crypto exchange out there that knows the magic formula to success in this crypto winter? Well, it's quite obvious. It's a lot of junk and it's a lot of smoke and mirrors that Binance has been playing. This product offering right here, I think is actually pretty good in terms of what it is. Not that it's through Binance, because like I said, I'm not a fan, but the idea of like options with capitalization, that's kind of a cool thing, kind of something that we needed in the crypto community for the advanced traders out there. Fellow Binanceans, Binance is launching a new batch of dual investment products with updated target prices and settlement dates where users can utilize our sell high and buy low products. You want to know who they are doing this with? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Matic, ADA, BNB, DOT, BCH, AVAX, FTM, Algo, Near, Atom, and XRP. Now, obviously, there's fine print you all have to read about, and guess what, everyone? This announcement came out this morning. That's how fresh this news is. So if you want to read more about it, you are welcome to do so. So the Gemini digital currency group thing, I'm going to be honest with you here. You know who always loses in these situations? It's the customers, because think about this. Think of what crypto prices and all that have been since November, right? Think of how much lower they are since that time, right? So again, the customers lose here as funds get tied up more and more, longer and longer. The other thing is too, are they even going to be able to get all of their funds? Does DCG even have that kind of capital to be paying back the $900 million owed? Oh, crazy stuff, isn't it? Oh, regulators are cracking down on USDT as the OSC out there says, you're not showing us proof of reserves. You're not showing us more clarity into your books and how things operate with USDT. Nope, we're not going to let you trade it anymore. So if January 1st, OSC is saying, not in our backyard with Tether. Now we move on to someone else that really can't, fortify their books and make us have complete trust in them. That's Binance. Like I said, not a fan of Binance, but that product that they're offering, that's actually a super, super cool concept for advanced traders out there. I'm not giving any recommendations for people to try it. I'm personally staying far away from Binance and anything Binance related, but I like the ingenuity of this product. So yes, as much as I'm not a fan of Binance, I am a fan of the creativity in this crypto product offering, and I'm definitely a fan of them listing XRP as part of the mix. Now remember, tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we're going to have a live stream where Jerome Powell is going to be watching along with us as CPI data comes out. That can keep the markets roaring green as if we've seen lately, or put an extreme halt to it and send us back down into the basement, especially if numbers come in higher than 6.5. Until then, I've got a YouTube algorithmically based video for you to watch. As more news breaks, I'll be sure to share it with you. Until then, you cool cats, have a great rest of your day.